that shit, Dickie?
That's good.
About 10 weeks.
That sounds good.
Ha!
Yeah,
What do you
man.
think of that? Huh? I popped that sucker over and I was like, holy moly.
The water pressure just jumped right up.
40.
40?
Yeah. I didn't pay any attention at first. I was sitting there and I was just listening to it run and I looked down, it's on 40 and I'm thinking, whoa.
There you go.
So now all we gotta do is fine tune things
Fine
and
tune things up, and
finish painting.
that is good, Dan.
Well, as you just heard, the 8N fired up. It's running, baby. About 10 weeks after I got her, she's rebuilt, she's running. Gonna have to be tuning some stuff. She's smoking a little bit, burning off some paint, burning off some old shit. But hey, I'm happy as hell right now. So, I want to thank all you people, you know, for your encouragement. You're helping me out. You're saying, hey man, you're doing a good job. You're doing a great job. Kept me going. You know, I was never so happy to hear that sound. And I had a little problem this morning with it wouldn't fire after I had fire. And I thought, you know, what's going on here? And come to find out, my wire going to my coil had come out of the connection. So once I got that fixed, she fired right up. So hey, thanks everybody, and hopefully we're gonna have some good adventures with this baby. So we're gonna get her tuned up and get her going, and take her down to the farm one of these days. So stay tuned, baby. Love you all.